Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Craig's equipment from Indiana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. These lamps are highly collectible and they're very sought after. Now Craig's got a note with this unit and he's talking about nothing works. So the lamp does not work at all and it has no power. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot this unit. We want to troubleshoot the main PC boards. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool lamp. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention there is a power switch at the base, at the back of Mickey. You always want to make sure that when you're plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to Mickey, that switch is in the off position. Now, we have the switch in the off position, and we want to go ahead and turn Mickey on.
What a bright idea!
And Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We're going to go ahead and give it a second. It's not good to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll go ahead and wait. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We'll turn the lamp back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn the lamp back on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Craig and they can enjoy this Mickey lamp once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.